there was money for nails, there was money for gold, there was money for gold grills, but then people are saying they're stealing for other things that I don't understand. Renee Robinson, can I have parties announced for the record? State.
Megan Galloway.
Defense.
Roberto Ambrosino.
And are you Miss Robinson?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Robinson, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property, $2,500, 2 or more previous convictions?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Robinson, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $2,000 fine and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
All right. For clarification, is there an application for deferred or no?
No, there's not. I may have just grabbed the wrong form and I circled community supervision instead.
All right. So with regards to the plea bargain agreement,
I did not. Did I not check off that? There's no.
thank you. So according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's no application for deferred adjudication and the state is recommending community supervision and there's a $2,000 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
And defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you want to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, it's been some time since the incident. Since something happened recently, she is in a better place now in her life. She's employed. She's 9 months pregnant. She's set to give birth here in about 12 days or so. She's in a good place. And
All right, so this is the third time she's probably learned her lesson from stealing. Why do you keep stealing?
Before I wasn't in a better position than what I am now. And that was something that I picked up in a bad habit.
What, a bad habit of stealing?
Yes.
How do you develop a habit for stealing?
It was just something that I chose to do. It was a choice. And
But I'm just trying to figure out, how do you develop the habit for stealing?
it just happened, and
Well, did you all plan? Did you all say, hey, let's go to Don and Ben's and take tequila?
Yep.
no, it wasn't anything like that. Like I said, I was in a bad predicament and I was using that to like pay rent or do any, just making.
No, I don't know. And let me just explain to you why I don't realize that.
Understand.
Because people will spend money on their wants, but not on their needs.
Right.
And what I'm reading in here, everybody in the vehicle was dressed to the nines. So obviously there was money for clothes, there was money for hair, There was money for nails. There was money for gold. There was money for gold grills. But then people are saying they're stealing for other things that I don't understand.
Right.
And then going to Dunn and Ben's, the officer said that the car smelled of marijuana. And you all just went to Dunn and Ben's. Oh, I needed rent. Who's out here buying stolen tequila?
I don't smoke, so I don't know.
No, I said, who's out here buying stolen tequila? Did you take orders where you just say, hey, anybody want tequila? Because it's saying that you took
6 bottles.
yes, of tequila, 2 coconut bottles, reposado,
Yes.
and
Regular.
so see, she remembers. So why? So that you all could drink and have a good time. How old are you?
I'm 28. I was 17 at the time, and that was just how I was making my money. There's no excuse for it. I'm not making no excuse for it. And like I said, that's something that I'm not doing anymore.
And the people you were with, this Latasia Bateman, who is that?
Just a friend of mine,
And
or
who-
was a friend of mine.
All right, and who is this? I guess their mom named them T.I. Era Barber.
Yes,
Who is that?
just another friend.
What does T.I. stand for? Is that their name,
I
T.I.?
think it's Tierra.
Oh, the officer then put an apostrophe. Okay.
Right.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. If you were drug tested today, what would the results be?
I'm gonna be clean.
Okay. There's to be regular UAs, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I work for home health.
Doing what?
Pretty much like assisting and aiding. I'm with.
What does that mean? Assisting and aiding?
I pretty much help feed, change clothes.
A credential or like
I'm not a CNA. I'm just a caregiver.
No. Do you go into people's homes and do this? I don't allow people on probation in this.
This is
court.
the actual. It's like a nursing home. It's not just like a home. It's a it's a nursing home, like an actual.
so she doesn't go.
So it doesn't go into people's houses. It's a actual facility.
All right. I'm not going to allow you to continue to work there unless I receive a letter from your employer stating that they know what you're charged with and you can still work there. And then the people that you're taking care of, they either need to sign something or their relatives need to know that you're working there.
100%.
All right. Then their relatives need to know that you're working there. That's Ms. Abrams. That's what I'm ordering. So proof of employment within 30 days. No employment with minors.
She is on maternity leave right now, so I don't know if you might be able to extend 30 days out a little bit longer than that.
Oh, just speak to probation. Oh, trust me, probation will say she's on maternity leave. And I'll say, okay. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider in someone's residence. And also, she's not to be a home health care provider at a facility. Without a letter from the employer stating that they're aware of her criminal history and she's allowed to work there. And the family members of whoever she's caring for is aware of a criminal history and they have no objection to their working there. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, 100 of those hours will be waived. And then I'm going to order the theft course. Once that's complete, the remaining hours will be waived. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, and I'm sorry, just one other thing. There's to be no contact with Lastasia, Lastasia, Bateman, Batmam, and Tierra, Tierra, Barber, Barber. All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. If you need anything, let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Yeah.
What, just remaining court CR 7826A, State of Texas versus John Ray Perez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Michael DeLeon for Mr. Pettis.
And are you Mr. Perez? All right, everyone, we're on the record, so I'm going to ask that you please whisper. If you cannot whisper, then do not talk while we're on the record. All right, did you review a document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision? With your attorney, did you understand it? All right, you're going to have to make sure you speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Are you the same John Ray Perez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 7826A for the offense of burglary of a building with intent to commit theft on January 10th, 2023 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 8th day of November 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, John Ray Perez, committed the offense of evade arrest or detention in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. And Your Honor, we waived the other violations alleged in the motion.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
We're asking that you deny the motion and continue the defendant on community supervision. We would like to alter and amend the conditions for SATIF. That's going to run concurrent with the new number 1, concurrent with County Court 2 case 72109-7.
All right. And with regards to the county court cause number, is that case still open?
It is, Your Honor, because it's enhanceable. I would like the defendant's going to go down and plead directly after this sentencing to that cause.
All right. And who's the attorney on that case that's in misdemeanor court?
Feel like it's me now. So
You're just coming forward solving problems.
I'll take care of it, Judge.
All right. And Mr. Perez, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
John Ray Perez,
All right. So what's your drug issue?
Maryland.
All right. We're doing more than SATA for marijuana, are we not?
That's the only drug I just.
All right. Mr. Perez said the only problem he has is marijuana and nothing else.
Your Honor, we don't have any. We don't have any drug tests to confirm that there
Has-
was a violation to his outpatient program.
Have you done anything on probation other than
I went
not
to,
report, pick up a new case and not doing your drug testing?
I went to my classes.
What classes?
The drug classes. I think you
Okay.
said.
Obviously, they're not working, right?
Right.
So You're just telling me you'd rather go to 2 years to the state jail facility and then come out and use your marijuana?
No, Your Honor.
Then why are you using marijuana? Because I know people think marijuana is not a big deal, but I tell you what, in Texas, it is. And you can't smoke marijuana or use marijuana in brownies or cookies or whatever while you're on probation. You can't even drink alcohol while you're on probation in Texas. So would you like, if you want, I will grant this motion and I will send you to the state jail facility. You will be done. And if you choose to smoke marijuana, that's on you. If you get caught smoking marijuana, you're going to get arrested. That's on you. So if you want treatment, I will give you treatment. But if this is just, I'm doing my best right now to stay out of custody as quickly as possible, but you're still going to use, then now's your time to make the call because you know yourself better than your attorney does. And is there a family member here for you?
No, ma'am.
All right. So you know yourself better than I do and the attorneys do. So if you want, I will deny the motion of alternate amend conditions and send you to SATA. Or I will revoke you and I will revoke you and send you to 180 days.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
Mr. Pettis and I had a conversation. I think he wants to avoid having a felony conviction on his record. He doesn't have any other felony convictions before, so that was the reason why when probation recommended SATF, we're like, okay, we'll do it.
Okay.
I had the same reaction when I heard marijuana as well. I'm like, but no, unless that's different, Mr. Pettis, unless you want to do 180 days and just have a conviction on your record and do 106 months in state jail facility,
180 days.
It's day for day.
day for day, but it's a conviction on your record.
And let me just tell you what's going to end up happening. When I do that, if that's what you want, when you are released, you're going to immediately go back to doing what you previously been doing. And one or two things going to happen. Either you're going to pick up another evading case or something else is going to happen. And you're going to be right back in somebody's felony court or misdemeanor court or whatever. And your problems will still be there because when you stop running, your problem is still there.
So I'd rather take the help.
Okay. And is there something you wish to say?
Oh, yes, Your Honor. I believe after speaking with probation, his probation will need to be extended 6 months to accommodate the SATF judge.
All right, it will be extended. However, if you complete everything, then of course, you can ask for early termination. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna extend you for 2 years. Alternate amend conditions to do a referral to felony drug court. And if felony drug court doesn't accept him, then it will be SATA.
That'd be great.
Felony drug court will be able to probably interview. Next week is a short week, but they may be able to get to you next week. And you need to be honest with them about your issues.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Probation, we'll do felony drug court first.
Yes, Judge, and then decided he's not accepted.
Yes. And that's to be while in custody.
Yes.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right. We can go off the record. How old are you?
I'm 31.
All right. Do you want to be the 31-year-old at the prison where somebody asks you why you're here and you say it's for marijuana? All right. Do better.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you.